Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Fractional distillation separates compounds based on differences in boiling points. Structural isomers have different boiling points and are separated as distinct fractions, whereas enantiomers, non-superimposable mirror images, have identical boiling points and cannot be separated by fractional distillation. Moving on to the next step. Identify the starting material. The zigzag structure shown is N-hexane, CH3CH2CH2CH2CH2CH3. Moving on to the next step. Identify all unique monochlorination positions in N-hexane. Due to the symmetry of N-hexane, there are 3 unique carbon positions. C1 equivalent to C6 gives 1 chlorohexane. C2 equivalent to C5 gives 2 chlorohexane. C3 equivalent to C4 gives 3 chlorohexane. And for the final step, 1 chlorohexane, no chiral center, 1 compound. To chlorohexane, C2 is a chiral center, attached to CH3, C2H5 chain remainder, Cl, H, exists as R and S enantiomers. 3-chlorohexane, C3 is a chiral center, attached to CH to CH3 on each side differently. Actually, C3 has CH to CH to CH3, CH to CH3, Cl, H, exists as R and S enantiomers. Determine fractions upon fractional distillation. Enantiomers have identical boiling points and codistill as one fraction. Structural isomers have different boiling points and separate. Fraction 1, 1-chlorohexane, BP tilde 135 degrees C. Fraction 2, 2-chlorohexane, R plus S mixture, BP tilde 122 degrees C. Fraction 3, 3-chlorohexane, R plus S mixture, BP tilde 123 degrees C. Count fractions. There are 3 distinct structural isomers, each with a different boiling point, giving 3 fractions. Enantiomeric pairs within each structural isomer distill together. Why other options fail? A. 2 undercounts. There are 3 structurally distinct chlorohexanes. C. 4 and D. 5 overcounts. Enantiomers cannot be separated by fractional distillation, so R and S forms of 2-chlorohexane and 3-chlorohexane each give only 1 fraction respectively. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.